lecture. In our previous lecture, we studied the statement. Okay, declarative sentence is only the statements, truth value of the statement, and the open sentence. Okay, in this lecture, we try to solve the exercise 1.1 of the first chapter. Let's start exercise 1.1. Exercise 1. State which of the following sentences are the statement. Justify your answer. If it is a statement, then write down its truth value. Okay. Question 1. A triangle has n sides. Okay. This is a declarative sentence, and the truth value of this statement is false because of the triangle has 3 sides only. Next, sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. It is a declarative sentence, and the truth value of this statement is true. It is denoted by the letter T. Okay. You are amazing. This is the exclamatory sentence. Please grant me a loan. This is the imperative sentence. Fifth, square root of -4 is an irrational number. The statement, this is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is a false. Okay. 6. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to be 0 implies x is equal to be -4 or x is equal to be -2. This is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is false. It is denoted by the letter F. If we solve this equation, then we get x is equal to be 4 or x is equal to be 2. 7. He is an actor. The not statement in a logic. 7. Did you eat lunch 8? This is an interrogative sentence. 9. Have a cup of cappuccino. This is an imperative sentence. 10. X plus y is equal to be plus twice xy plus y for all x, y and y belongs to be R. R is the real number. Then the statement, this is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is true. For if we take the x and y is equal to be half, then this statement is true. Next, 11. Every real number is a complex number. Okay, the statement, this is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is true. It is denoted by the letter T. 12. 1 is a prime number. This is a statement, but it is a false. The truth value of this statement is a F. 13. With the sunset, the day ends. Okay, this is a declarative sentence. The truth value is T. Okay. 14. 1 factorial is equal to be 0. This is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is T. 15. 3 plus 5 is greater than 11. 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 is greater than 11. This is a statement, but the truth value of this statement is false. 8 is not equal greater than 11. 16. The number pi is an irrational number. This is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is true, T. Okay. 17. X square minus y square is equal to be x plus y into bracket x minus y for all x, y belongs to be R. This is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is T. 18. The number 2 is the only even prime number. Yes. This is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is T. Next, 19. 2 coplanar lines are either parallel or intersecting. Yes, this is the statement, and the truth value of this statement is T. Next, 20. The number of arrangement of 7 girls in a row for a photograph is a 7 factorial. The statement, it is a statement, and the truth value of this statement is T. Next, 21. Give me a compass box. This is the imperative sentence. 22. Bring the motor car here. This is the imperative sentence. Okay. 23. It may rain today. This is the imperative sentence. 24. If a plus b is less than 7, where a is less than equal to be 0 and b is less than equal to be 0, then a is less than 7 and b is less than 7. Yes, this is the statement, and the truth value of this statement is T. Here a and b are negative. The truth value is T. 25. Can you speak in English? This is a question, and this is the interrogative sentence.